Hello and welcome back to my beautiful garden. And what is this curious setting? Today I am inviting you to join me in a noble pursuit of knowledge. And what that means is that I'm basically going to show you some books that I'm using right now to learn some more about plants or gardening in general. So, let's go! So, the first one I wanted to show you is the simple guide about herbs. Inside, as you can see, there are pictures and very simple short descriptions of various herbs. And it's not a lot, but it's enough to pique your interest, so if you want you can read more about herbs on the web or in some other books that are more detailed. But this is just a very simple guide, and it tells you where to plant the herb, whether it likes more sunlight, whether it likes shade, if you should water it often or not. So I really liked it, and as you can see I have a lot of herbs that pique my interest, and a few of them are already planted in the garden, so useful. And one more thing about this, the herbs are sorted into categories. So for example, you have herbs that can treat stomachache to a certain extent, herbs that you can use as spices, herbs that you can use just for decoration. So yeah. Book number 2 is from the same series, as you can see, but it tells you about flowers. And the main difference is that it tells you which flowers would look good with which flowers. So it helps you to make beautiful flower beds and don't worry about pests and other things. So yeah, useful as well. Next one is a book that I use quite a lot, and I use it the whole year. And what it is, it's from the same series again. I got them all together, and this is basically a calendar that tells you what to do in every season, and it goes month by month, starting from spring all the way to winter. So for instance, it tells you this month it's good to cut the bushes, this month it's good to plant this and that, this month it's good to this month it's good to plant trees and stuff. So I really like it, especially since it tells you what to do in a few different categories. So if you're not really that interested in flowers, it tells you stuff about veggies. If you're not that into veggies, it also tells you stuff about flowers. If you just have, grass and some fruit trees, it tells you stuff about fruit trees also. So very simple, very good, especially for beginners. Next one is a vintage piece. It's a book about vegetables printed in 1980. But the info inside is still pretty much relevant, so any veggie you want to grow, it's in there. And the last one, the one that is actually in English, is my absolute treasure. And it's Botany for Gardeners. And this is a very complicated book for me in a way that I know this stuff, but not in English, so all the English names for what is happening with the plants, it's just like I'm learning it all over again. But I absolutely adore this book because it's not only written very well, but it's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you the illustrations and everything else. It's just perfect. And today I'm gonna be studying from this book, making some notes, and I hope you will join me. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!